Welcome to RPGuru Tech Talk. In this video, I'm unboxing and setting up a Brother HL-L3210CW color printer. This laser color printer can print up to 19 pages per minute, and also it has a tray capacity of 250 sheets, so it can hold that many paper sheets, and also it prints good quality, professional, rich, vivid color documents with laser print quality. This printer weighs about 37.8 pounds. So let's unbox it now. So the first thing I see is a manual. It has the regular manual as well as a quick setup guide. So we can set aside that, and it also comes with the driver CD or DVD. And now let's get the printer out. So removing the thermocol, and also it has a power cord to the power outlet. And once I remove, it's all pre-assembled. There's no assembly required, but we need to clean up some of the packaging material inside the printer. So let's start doing it. So I take out the tapes on the different places, and now what I do is open the tray, and there are 4 cartridges. Each of them are actually protected, so we need to take them out and take out the plastic materials on that. So I'm going to remove each of those cartridges, and I make sure that I know where it came from, and also don't put the cartridges on the drum so that it doesn't get spoiled. So I put it in the reverse manner, and now I'm removing one at a time in a sequence, so that I remember when I put it back what the sequence would be. So if you see how I remove it, follow the same process. And then once I do that, I have a way to remove the paper which is under those cartridges. So I remove the paper now, and also the plastic material on it. So now we are ready to put back the cartridges. So let's put them back in the sequence, which was last out, first in. So I'm going to put them back after I remove the orange protection plastic material. So each of them I remove that and start putting the cartridges back, and I make sure the color of the cartridges match the color on the body of the printer. So now I put back all the 4 cartridges. So we are done with the cartridge section where the protection material was, and remove that. Now I pull out the tray. The tray has some protection paper and materials to be removed. So I take out the paper and pull out the tapes and everything from the protection materials, and remove that from the tray. Now the tray is, once I remove that, the tray will be ready to put back. I can put the paper now, or I can put the paper later. So right now I'm not going to do it, put the paper right now. I'm just putting back. While I'm doing all this, you remember that not to put the power cord in. You should not power the printer yet. So now I put the tray back. Now I'm ready to power. So I'm going to plug in the adapter and connect to the power outlet. Now it's starting. Once it boots, the next setup would be to connect to Wi-Fi. So you can connect it to your Wi-Fi. This is a little tedious. I'm going to fast forward a little. There's an initial setup. You can do up or down arrow to pick the right menu item. And once I have the networks, then setup wizard, and then I can pick the wireless network of mine. Once I do that, it asks you to enter the password. If you have a long password, it's a pretty tedious process, because you need to keep moving the up and down arrow to select the right characters and stuff like that. So I'm picking my Wi-Fi network, which is RPGuru, and once I do that, I start entering the password. So I'm going to fast forward that. It takes a long time. Once I'm done, you can see the Wi-Fi button is green. So now it's getting ready. So now let's see. So once it is done, it's going to say ready. So at that point, we should be able to start printing. So let's take a look at a sample printout I have done. You can see how beautifully it's come out. The color is as real as it can be. Hope this setup helps you, and talk to you soon. Thanks. Bye.